Hi, I'm Zett Quinn, the owner of Quality Craftsmen. We've been in business for over 30 years, creating smiles and happy clients. We are certified general contractors, we're certified aging in place, and we're also green builders. We are all about doing things right. Today I want to talk to you about the customer experience and the top 3 things that clients really need to think about when we're looking at doing a project together. First is communication. We want to make sure that from the design consultation all the way through to the finished product and the finished cleaning, that we have communicated with you properly during the entire process, and we understand what you want to build and we can build your vision. Number 2, we want to make sure that we're bringing in the right team. It's about having the top quality installation team that understands construction, that understands the process. We're bringing in the right products and we're installing them the proper way so that we can give you a fantastic warranty, lifetime warranty. But the team about taking care of your home during the process, taking care of your family, taking care of your pets, it's extremely important to bring in the right guys to do it the right way. Number 3 is about quality products. When we talk about products, we only use the best manufacturers in the industry. All of our products carry a lifetime warranty. All of our products are impervious to water. They're extremely durable. They're very safe. They're easy to maintain. They're absolutely beautiful, and the clients absolutely love them. We would love for you to be able to learn more. If you would, just follow us on social media, or you can visit our website at quality-craftsmen.com. We appreciate it very much. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to helping you on your next shower.